Sir, you can start, sir.
He sent a mail to Bharati.
Okay, we can start now.
Yes, sir, you can start, sir.
Okay. So hello everyone, welcome to the first live session for this NPTEL course on secure computation. Myself, Dr. Ashish Chaudhary from IIT Bangalore. Feel free to join and ask your questions here. Are there any questions in the Google forum?
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. So yeah, please go ahead.
So, sir, I am currently in third year computer science. So,
Mhm.
for our major project, that's why I joined the course that for implementing privacy preserving database for a hospital management system. So, I just want can we get started on that project? We just wanted some tips.
So, so do you want to deploy MPC techniques for your project or what? Because if you want to,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
uh, so so what is the setting that you are looking for? What exactly is the problem scenario?
So it is mainly for public health records. How do you query public health records without revealing the data, without revealing any personal information of the users? That is mainly our question. That was mainly the problem we are tackling.
Mm-hmm. And so, yeah, so are you how many hospital records and all these things you are considering? Are there going to be multiple hospitals or is it going to be just one hospital and then its data will be available in an encrypted form in the cloud and the users will query? So what exactly
For
is
the for
happening?
for that, I got a mini solution of 3 hospitals in the Mumbai area. We have got 3 hospitals. Their data is available. We have the data currently in unencrypted form. So if you just write an SQL query, you can get all this data.
Right. Okay. Okay. So I will suggest that if you have all the data in an unencrypted form and mm, So the data is actually from different hospitals, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And what kind of user queries you would like to run? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So,
Not that we are not gone that deep into the. We are just in the ideation stage of our project. We didn't go that deep into the project.
mhm, mhm, mhm. So see, as far as my knowledge is concerned, there are specific techniques which are tailor-made even from the MPC domain to handle the case of privacy-preserving data mining. Okay, so in this course, we are actually discussing generic techniques for performing arbitrary computation, but it need not be always applicable for every possible application, in the sense that for specific applications, like for example, in your case, it's privacy preserving data mining. There are actually customized solutions to handle only that specific application. And those techniques will not be applicable for other privacy preserving applications. So I would recommend you that you can explore some of the works in the domain of privacy preserving databases or privacy preserving data mining to see what kind of MPC techniques they deploy for data mining operations. Okay, because data mining operations are different from other kind of computations that you would like to perform in a distributed way. And finally, at the end of the day, those techniques also will be boiling down to some of the techniques which we are actually discussing in this course. It's not that they are going to be very different, but they might be more efficient than the generic techniques. So, for instance, one example that I can cite, that I can give here is that one query could be set intersection. So, you have the records of all the hospitals and say you would like to find out if any record is present in all the hospitals or not, or if any patient has registered across all the hospitals or not. Okay, so this you want to do in a privacy preserving way. So again, I can run a generic MPC computation for this kind of query, but that will be useless. Instead, there are very efficient ways to just handle this specific kind of query. So what we do is basically we encode each hospital record in the form of a polynomial, where the record is basically a root of that polynomial. And if your goal is just to check or just to see whether there is a common intersection across all the records or not, or whether there is just, which boils down to checking whether there is a common root for all the individual polynomials which are encoding the individual hospital records. So that problem can be solved in a more efficient way using tricks which are tailor-made only for this specific application. So I will, if privacy preserving data mining is what you are looking for, then I would recommend you to go through some of the practical papers on research papers on privacy preserving data mining. And there are some of them, very efficient ones. That will basically give you a good startup.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. there are no questions, then we can wind up the session.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Will you be having any more sessions like this?
There will be one more session. So typically there are 2 sessions planned. So I
Okay.
think one more session will be planned next week.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.